Look, Tom, I popped a Molly and I'm sweating, okay? I'm burning up right now. Oh, Jesus, that's so much better. Stop filling me. I'm in trouble right now.
Yes.
Oh shit! Help! Help!
Slow down. Grab the wall. Wiggle like you're trying to make your ass fall out.
Street, I hear and where you from? Where's the catnip?
No!
What the hell, dude?
And Chewy on some hot nigga. Like I told Tish, I see when I shot nigga.
You can't get out. Oh!
What's up, guys? I'm just chilling. I'm pretty bored and
Can I help you?
My God.
I'm so sleepy. I'm just gonna take a little cat nap. Get that out of here. Take a little cat nap and I say get that shit out of here!
Don't touch it.
Fuck the police coming straight from the underground.
Spike loves his new hat.
I'm a cat, most fuzzy first place. If you try to pick me up, I will squat you in the face.
Secret Agent Cat.
God damn. Girl, chill!
cat scared of hacky sack?
Let's find out.
Run, Fatso, run! Run!
Oh, someone's tired.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star.
It's like I'm a mirror. Oh, my mirror staring back at me.
I ever told you how beautiful you are?
I will look for you. I will find you. And I will kill you.
I was in PetSmart and this lady made me feel like such a bad pet owner. Oh, what kind of cat is that? It's the black one, duh.
Don't touch it.
Fuck the police coming straight from the underground.
Can you imagine if your arm was to fall out of there? Oh my gosh. No, 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 no. I got it.
Don't be mean to her.
Turtle cat.
My fellow Americans, there is Ebola in America, which means we are screwed.
Lily, who's your best friend? Who's your best friend? Who's your best friend?
My fellow Americans, there is Ebola in America, which means We are screwed.